thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Thursday evening for east central Ohio and western Pennsylvania and northern West Virginia. Please report hail, strong winds, or wind damage to the National Weather Service by